Tutor Paula here, back with another question, speed calculus integrals of the form e to the x. Here we have dv equals e to the negative t over 5 dt. Well, first a discussion about notation. If it's dv, that means v prime, really. So if we move the dt over with the dv, that's v prime. And obviously the integral of v prime would be v, because this is the derivative. The integral of the derivative is the original. Okay, so I wanted to discuss that. The next thing is we have to talk about how to integrate this form and what's going on with this framework with the negative 1 over 5. Well, let's actually differentiate this in order to understand how to integrate it. So remember, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x times 1, because the derivative of x is 1. So if I had e to the 2x, it would be e to the 2x times 2, because it's no longer just x. The derivative of 2x is 2. So it's the same circumstance here. It's the derivative of the outside, that's the e, whatever is on in the exponent, times the derivative of what is on the inside there. So the derivative of negative 1 over 5t is negative 1/5. Okay, so we have to figure out what can we differentiate that will produce this function 1e to the negative 1 over 5t. Well, that means that we have to cancel out that negative 1/5. Well, to cancel out that negative 1/5, we'll have a negative 5. And that way, we'll have the same exact thing, but instead of having the negative 1/5, the negative 1/5 will be multiplied by the 5. So if we go back to our original, we're going to multiply everything by that negative 5 there, and it cancels out and creates the 1. That's the integral in this case.